Hi, Frank Gray, attorney of the law office of Gemetto and Gray. Here today to talk to you about how to get your former fiance's name off of the house. As always, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know when we're pushing out more content that'll help you with your family law problems in Maryland. So a phone call we get all the time here in the office is, I bought a house with my fiance, we were gonna get married, we broke up, and now I have the house and I can't get his or her name off the house. What do I do? And it doesn't have to be a house. It could be a boat, it could be a car, it could be anything that has a title to it. Two ways to answer this question. The first is, have you talked to them? Have you tried to figure out either directly with them or through someone else, will they just sign it over to you? Or if there's equity in it, what's the number that they want that maybe you could buy them out so that they would sign it over to you? A lot of times the answer is, I've tried, but I can't get a hold of them or they won't give me a straight answer. And then you're going to get to point number two. The legal remedy is called a sale in lieu of partition. It's an action that you file in the circuit court. And you literally say to the circuit court, we can't work it out. We need you to sell the house. So what happens is, like every other contested case, file an answer and you go through the contested case process where they don't and you default them. But at the end of the day, you end up in front of a judge and the judge has to take testimony. Usually the testimony doesn't focus on whether or not the item, the property, can be divided into two equal shares, because if that could happen, you would have already done it. And it's not even whether or not the property can or should be sold, because by definition, if you own it together and one of you wants out, unless there's a contractual agreement that says otherwise, then the court's going to order the property be sold. They'll order a trustee be appointed to sell the property. Question is, what about the proceeds? That's generally what the trial is all about. And there really is not a lot of hard and fast rules like there would have been if you got married. It's really going to be whatever a judge thinks is fair. And that's where a lot of the acrimony can come in. It's where a lot of the effort in these trials can come in. But if you have a situation like this, unfortunately, it's a situation where you're going to need to talk to a lawyer. It's going to be very difficult for you to do it yourself. If you have any questions, make sure to give us a call. We can walk you through what to do.